got the Kings and Queens have arrived. What is up? Love that color right there. Of course, you guys know I love racing stripes. And this gentleman, check it out. This car is actually from Corvette Warehouse, man. Love this. He's bought two from Corvette Warehouse right here. Was just talking to him about it. Nice white Stingray here, convertible. How you doing?
Good morning.
Love to see ladies out here with us. Another C5, how you doing?
All right, man.
We're gonna try to get them all parked along over here. There's more people in here today than we had anticipated. I love the Kings and Queens because they're always couples. Woo, man, I love the Supersonic. Beautiful, love that color. Atomic Orange, Z06, morning. Another C6, what's going on? How are you doing?
Hello, man, looking good.
Thank you, you guys as well. Ooh, Elkhart Lake Blue, CA, good morning. I swear, man, the Kings and Queens are one of the coolest. Heck yeah. Arctic White Z06, Z07. Another Arctic White C6 right here, convertible. Another lady, we love it, man. I love to see. Child of God, all right. Ooh, look at that. I don't know what he's got. He's got the Eventuri air intake right there. He's got the sticker on the back. What's going on? Oh man, I gotta get his hood. I gotta ride with him. Look at that. That is freaking crazy. I love that. Good morning. Oh, I love the lights. Check that out. What's going on, man? Beautiful C5. Oh yeah, the Batmobile. I love this one. You guys have seen this before. Another couple. You gotta love the couples, man. How you guys doing? My wife wanted to come, but she had to work today. Well, she works overnight, so she didn't make it. Beautiful yellow. Good morning. I swear the Kings and Queens are an event in and of themselves. How you doing?
How you doing today?
Fantastic. This is another one I love right here. I love this Laguna Blue. ZR1 wheels. Z06 got the hash marks like on a Grand Sport. The Heritage Edition. Nice red brake calipers, man. I love all of the colors on here, man. It's absolutely beautiful. We got us another lady here. All right, how you doing? Another nice black C5. Hey, unapologetically gray. How you doing? Good to see you guys. Love them. They're awesome. Check this out. What's going on, man? How you doing?
Great.
Good to see you. Hello. How's it going?
Going.
Crystal red?
Yeah.
Yeah, crystal red. You bet. Nice Arctic White C8. What's going on, man? How you doing? Look at this. All the way down the street, man. Is that nuts? That's nuts. That's crazy. What's going on? How you doing? Fantastic. Oh, and an Elkhart Lake Blue CA. How's it going? Convertible? Oh no, coupe. Sorry. My bad. Check out the red lettering on there, man. That looks really nice. And the carbon fiber ducktail. Oh my goodness, look at that. 70th anniversary.
Hey, check out that window in the back of the...
Oh yeah. Oh yeah. This is, I forget the name of the brand, but check it out. I have seen this. That is awesome. That way you can still see your engine, much like my AMT, but that one, it's a little higher dollar. Another black one right there. How's it going? Convertible? I think this is Supersonic. I'm 99% sure that color, but convertible, C6. Absolutely love it. Get a little traffic jam going right here. Then jump back over. Another Arctic White. Morning. Another lady. Yeah, I love it. What's going on, Tom? What's up, my friend?
What's going on, friend?
Another day.
Another day, huh?
Another successful event.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Awesome, man.
Another great guy right here, man. Beautiful black Grand Sport with Z06 style wheels. Very nice. Hypersonic gray, 5VM, exposed carbon fiber, side skirts, front splitter. Always nice to see the ladies. How you doing? I've never seen as many women. I've never seen as many ladies driving as the Kings and Queens, man. Yeah. That's awesome. Absolutely love it. It gets boring just being a guy's event, you know? How you doing?
All right, how about you, sir?
Fantastic. Accelerate yellow.
Thank
You're
you.
a friend of the family.
Stingray.
Amen. Exactly. And there's Kevin. Kevin runs the Kings and Queens right there. That's his. I love that car. How's it going? Night Race Blue? Night Race Blue, right? Night Race Blue?
Midnight blue.
Midnight Blue.
Yep,
Oh,
yep.
wow. Another color I hadn't even heard of. I love it with the yellows.
right.
Look at that. Yellow calipers. That is awesome. Rapid Blue. Forgiato wheels. Convertible. Z51. How's it going?
This is the one.
This is the one, man.
This
Let me
is
tell
the
you.
one.
Amen.
Yeah, I ain't mad at it.
Exactly. It's a little crowded today, ain't it?
Yeah.
You guys sat in some traffic, huh?
Yeah.
Dude, these things are so much fun. But check this thing out. I love the edge yellow brake calipers on there. Golly, man. And the yellow seat belt, sky cool gray interior. Man, that's a spec right there. Hypersonic gray. What's going on, guys?
Got it.
Convertible, bright red brake calipers. Man.
What up, Jason?
What is up? How are you guys? Doing all right today?
Yeah, how about yourself?
Pretty good, man. It's busy. It's always good when it's crowded.
Yeah, man.
Amen. Beautiful torch red. Arctic white Stingray. What's going on? Another ladies. All right. How you doing? You gotta love it. That's just wrong. Get it? R-R-O-N-G. Oh man, Grand Sport C7 Arctic white. Such a beautiful car. Bright red brake calipers. Oh. Can you guys tell I like Corvettes? I do. Just a little. Another lady. What's going on? How are you?
Hello, good morning.
How awesome is that?
Thank you.
Yeah. Love the hypersonic gray. Good morning. How's it going? So, what color?
Vette Syndicate.
That's right. Yes,
Yeah.
sir. Hey, what color is yours?
Huh?
Is this atomic orange or Daytona sunrise or sunset?
Atomic orange.
Atomic orange. Okay, that's what I thought. Man, and I love those wheels. I've kind of gotten away from black wheels. Not that I don't still love black wheels, but man, that's spectacular. Look at the wrap on this. Oh my gosh. Almost like Verde Ithaca from Lamborghini. That is absolutely crazy. Jay-Z wraps. Got the ZR1 wing. You can follow him. If you guys love this car, go check it out. RelGang_1 on Instagram. This thing is crazy. I love it. Probably my favorite color here today. Jose Bandito, we're gonna go look at his car later. He's got my favorite ZR1, but that wrap is insane. Hey, what's going on, man? I love it. Darren's here today. Got the brand new C4. Yeah, I love it. This is beautiful. One of my favorites.
I let some up too. Go ahead.
How's it going?
Hey, hold on.
Hey.
Hey. That's Kings Queens. Come here.
We're about to pull them in this side because we got to fill this whole thing up. It's gonna be crowded, as is if you guys didn't already know. But yeah, you guys saw Darren in our Demons. Just pulled in a minute ago. What's going on, man? Arctic white convertible, ready to go. I love it, man. Laguna blue. I think it's Laguna, so forgive me. Laguna or Elkhart. Depends on the year. I think it's Laguna, but that thing is, oh, listen to that cam. Chop, 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 chop. Fast as Z06. Man, how's it going?
Where's the Vette Syndicate at?
Do what?
Where's Vette Syndicate?
This whole thing is Vette Syndicate. He says, where's Vette Syndicate at? This whole thing is Vette Syndicate. Another beautiful white 70.
I want to be down there on the street. That's the prettiest car.
Another beautiful blue
Y'all follow
Stingray.
him.
Mr. Brandon, rocking the Vette Syndicate. Look, there's so many different people. And, oh my gosh. Is that Riptide? Is that Riptide? Woo. This has been one of my favorite Corvettes ever, man, right there. I love that color. Ceramic Maker's Gray with the red dipped interior. I know they didn't want that open to let them in, but I thought it'd be easier.
The Kings is there.
So there it is, man. Kevin is the last one in. Well, you got some more coming in. We're gonna have a lot more coming in today, but I think that's it for the Kings and
I'm
Queens.
gonna have you come right. You don't have to park, but what I want y'all to do,
But check it out. even still, we're packed out. All right, guys, that's going to do it for the Kings and Queens. We're going to move on. I hope everybody enjoyed this video. I hope you have a great week. Thanks for watching.